Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Tuesday. Today we're going to teach you all how to do the top spin. This is a ground move. It's a little more advanced, so we'll walk you through it. Well, first we're going to do it for you, and then we'll walk you through it step by step, and then we'll do it again at the end. Try to work out the especially difficult parts. This one can be difficult. Also, there's a lot of spinning for the girl, and so you don't want to do it over and over again. Yeah, let's do it. All right. So, lots of spinning. Kind of complicated. Not that hard though, and it's super fun. So, what we're first going to do is we're going to take the girl in your regular hand hold, and we're going to go into the cuddle. So that means you're going to bring your left hand across her left shoulder and bring her to your hip. So from the cuddle, you're standing next to each other. You have her left hand in your right hand and her right arm, her right hand in your left hand. We're going to spin her while keeping both hands attached, while holding both hands still. So you're going to spin her over, spin her a second time to what we come to the wheel position. This is called the wheel. So I have my left hand up across my chest with her right arm, and behind her back I have my right hand and her left hand. So we'll do that again. So you're going to come into the cuddle, and you're going to bring your left hand up, spin her once, and she's going to do kind of a chicken wing thing back there twice. So the girl, you got to do kind of like a chicken wing. This is the wheel. Out of the wheel, what you're going to do is the guy and the girl, you're going to let go of your hand behind your back, and you're going to push her lower back and walk her around you. Right? She's going to come all the way around. You're going to switch hands. Wait. So I'm going to let go with my left hand. She's going to put her hand on my waist, and your left hand will grab her left hand in front of her. So right here. Now, you're going to let go with your right hand. You're going to spin her. She's going to walk around, and you're going to put her left arm behind your head and your right hand. So you grab her right hand behind your back. To finish off the move, the last move, you're going to take her left hand over your head, throw it down to spin her with your right hand, and transfer hands at the very end. Kind of complicated. Lots of spinning, like I said. So we'll do it one more time, slowly, and one more time, quickly. Show you guys how to do it. So, cuddle again. You're going to take your left hand up, spin her once and twice. Make sure you're not grabbing her hand, but you use two fingers to spin her. You're going to walk her around. It helps if you step as the guy, kind of step around as well, and turn yourself. We're here in this position. Spin her up, arm behind the head, hand behind the back, and then down. Transition. Okay? We're going to do this, I guess, normal speed then.